is, are.
Was, was, was.
Were, were, were. I was, he was, she was, it was. I was, he was, she was, it was. We were, you were, they were. We were, you were, they were. I was at a hotel with friends. I was at a hotel with friends. I was at a hotel with friends.
He was at a party in a bar. He was at a party in a bar. He was at a party in a bar.
She was in Paris. She was in Paris. She was in Paris.
It was incredible. It was incredible. It was incredible.
You were on the beach in Brazil. You were on the beach in Brazil. You were on the beach in Brazil.
We were at an expensive restaurant. We were at an expensive restaurant. We were at an expensive restaurant. They were at home with their family. They were at home with their family. They were at home with their family.